Hey, Sean here at the Rusty Shovel, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about how to get rid of weeds and ants in existing paving stone projects. So you've all went to somebody's place and seen at one time probably good looking paving stones that have been overtaken by ant hills or weeds popping up in the joints. And the best way to do that is to get rid of that and address it is to basically, the first thing, get rid of whatever's in the joint. So chances are there's some sand or some crusher dust or something that wasn't supposed to be in there, used as a jointing material in your pavers. Take a pressure washer, spray those out. If you can get your hands on a rotating tip or a power nozzle on the pressure washer, that's going to help you get rid of that sand. I'd put a pair of hip waders on or some protective shoes and pants if you can, because it's going to be a little bit of an ugly job. But once you get that done, the next step is to install proper polymeric sand. We use Next Gel from Technoseal. But just because it works a lot better than most sands, what you're going to do is vibrate that into the joints. Get that down good into the joints. Sweep it across the surface, vibrate it in, and then clear off the top. Wet down the polymeric sand to activate the polymers. Then it's going to harden. When it hardens, that keeps any ants and weeds from establishing again. So one, let's get the project cleaned up, get the weeds and the ants out of there, get the old jointing material out of there. Two, let's put in new stuff to prevent that from ever happening again. So we recommend Next Gel from Technoseal. We've got it here at the Rusty Shovel. We can help you with trying to figure out how many bags you need for your project. Just need a few measurements from you. So that is how to get rid of weeds and ants in your existing paving stone, and how to keep them from coming back in the future.